डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम पढ़ेंगे लेक्चर नंबर 5 ऑफ केमिकल इक्विलिब्रियम। लेक्चर नंबर 5 में हम पढ़ेंगे डिग्री ऑफ डिसोसिएशन। डिग्री ऑफ डिसोसिएशन, डिग्री ऑफ डिसोसिएशन जो है इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय, इसको हम अल्फा से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं। व्हाट इज डिग्री ऑफ डिसोसिएशन? जब आप कोई भी रिएक्शन स्टार्ट करेंगे, यू विल स्टार्ट विद सम अमाउंट ऑफ रिएक्टेंट्स। विद टाइम जो रिएक्टेंट्स होते हैं दे आर कन्वर्टेड इनटू प्रोडक्ट्स एंड एट अ पर्टिकुलर टाइम rate of forward reaction becomes equal to rate of backward reaction, thus equilibrium is attained. Now for this reaction, what is actually this degree of dissociation? It is the number of moles dissociated divided by initial number of moles. Thus the definition of degree of dissociation is number of moles dissociated, number of moles dissociated, number of moles dissociated divided by initial number of moles, divided by initial number of moles. This is the definition of degree of dissociation. But sometimes जो आपके पास न्यूमेरिकल्स होते हैं, इंस्टेड ऑफ डिग्री ऑफ डिसोसिएशन वहां पे दिया होता है परसेंटेज डिसोसिएशन। परसेंटेज डिसोसिएशन, जो आपके पास परसेंटेज डिसोसिएशन है that is simply equal to degree of dissociation multiplied by 100. Now you can calculate alpha, that is degree of dissociation, by dividing percentage dissociation by 100. Now in order to understand this concept, let us take the example of dissociation of PCl5. PCl5 आप लिख सकते हैं like this. PCl5 जो है it undergoes dissociation. It will form PCl3 gas plus Cl2. Suppose we are taking 1 mole of PCl5 at T is equal to 0. Initially जो PCl5 होगा it will be 1 mole. इसका जो concentration होगा that will be 0 and इसकी जो concentration होगी that will be 0. Now if alpha is degree of dissociation, that means जो PCl5 है it is degree of dissociation is alpha. Alpha will be dissociated or converted into the products. What will be the remaining concentration of PCl5 at equilibrium? Equilibrium पे जो PCl5 की concentration होगी that will be initial concentration minus amount of PCl5 dissociated or converted into the products. Now stoichiometry is same for PCl5, PCl3 and Cl2. अगर यहां से अल्फा डिसोसिएट हुआ है then PCl5 formed will PCl3 formed will be alpha, Cl2 formed will be alpha. There is another important point. Suppose आपके पास जो initial concentration है, initial concentration of PCl5, suppose it is 2, then what will be the amount left at equilibrium if alpha is degree of dissociation? It will be 2 minus 2 into alpha. If we have 3 moles, it will be 3 minus 3 alpha. In general, अगर आप concentration लेंगे C, now amount left at equilibrium will be C minus C alpha if alpha is the degree of dissociation. Now let us take it as 1 mole. इस टॉपिक को समझने के लिए आपको एक और पॉइंट समझना है, that is अगर आपके पास जो रिएक्टेंट्स होंगे they will, if they are present as gases, then each component will have its partial pressure. Now what is partial pressure? Partial pressure of any component is equal to, it is equal to mole fraction of that component multiplied by total pressure. Now what is mole fraction? Mole fraction is, suppose आपके पास एक स्पीशीज है A के लिए जो मोल फ्रैक्शन होगा that will be number of moles of A divided by total number of moles present in the mixture multiplied by P total. That will give the partial pressure of component. For component A, it will be mole fraction of A multiplied by total pressure. For component B, it will be partial pressure of mole fraction of B into total pressure. For another component C, it will be mole fraction of C multiplied by total pressure. Now number of moles at equilibrium will be total moles at equilibrium. अगर आप देखेंगे इक्विलिब्रियम पे नंबर ऑफ मोल्स 1 माइनस अल्फा आर द नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ PCl5, Cl3 के जो नंबर ऑफ मोल्स है दैट इज अल्फा, Cl2 के जो नंबर ऑफ मोल्स है दैट इज अल्फा. This will cancel out with this. 1 plus alpha will be the total number of moles at equilibrium. Now अगर आप कैलकुलेट करेंगे मोल फ्रैक्शन फॉर PCl5, that will be number of moles of PCl5 1 minus alpha divided by total number of moles, that is 1 plus alpha. अगर आप कैलकुलेट करेंगे मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ Cl3, it will be number of moles of alpha, number of moles of Cl3 at equilibrium divided by total number of moles. अगर आप कैलकुलेट करेंगे फॉर Cl2, that will be alpha plus 1 by alpha. सपोज आपके पास जो ये मिक्सचर है टोटल प्रेशर इज PT, P टोटल. नाउ व्हाट विल बी इट इज, इसका जो पार्शियल प्रेशर होगा, पार्शियल प्रेशर ऑफ दीज PCl3, PCl5, PCl3 and Cl2, what will be their partial pressure? That will be their mole fraction. इसका जो मोल फ्रैक्शन है दैट इज लाइक दिस मल्टीप्लाइड बाय P टोटल. इसका भी होगा 1 डिवाइड बाय 1 प्लस अल्फा इनटू P टोटल. इसके लिए भी होगा अल्फा बाय 1 प्लस अल्फा इनटू P टोटल. Now, अगर आपको याद होगा जो हमारे पास इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट है, इट कैन बी रिटन इन टर्म्स ऑफ कंसंट्रेशन, इट कैन बी रिटन इन टर्म्स ऑफ पार्शियल प्रेशर. नाउ राइट इट इन टर्म्स ऑफ कंसंट्रेशन. Kp will be equal to Kc, that will be equal to concentration of Cl3 at equilibrium, that is alpha, concentration of Cl2 at equilibrium, that is alpha, divided by concentration of PCl5, that will be 1 minus alpha, that will be equal to alpha square by 1 minus alpha. ये आपके पास होगा Kc for this equation or for this reaction. Now if you have to calculate Kp, that is equilibrium constant in terms of partial pressure, that will be equal to PCl5 का जो पार्शियल प्रेशर है दैट इज लाइक दिस, दैट इज मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ दिस प्लस 1 बाय अल्फा मल्टीप्लाइड बाय P टोटल. इसका होगा अल्फा डिवाइड बाय 1 प्लस अल्फा इनटू P टोटल डिवाइड बाय इसका जो मोल फ्रैक्शन है दैट इज 1 माइनस अल्फा डिवाइड बाय 1 प्लस अल्फा एंड टोटल प्रेशर इज PT. नाउ यू कैन सिंपली कैंसिल इट लाइक दिस. P total will cancel out with P total. Now जो Kp होगा that will be equal to alpha into alpha will be alpha square P total divided by this 1 plus alpha, this is 1 minus alpha by 1, it will be 1 by 1 minus alpha, 1 plus alpha into 1 minus alpha, that is A plus B into A minus B, that will be A square minus B square alpha square. That will be the equation for Kp for this reaction. Kp is equal to alpha square P total, alpha जो है that is degree of dissociation, Pt is the total pressure, Kp is this is the equilibrium constant in terms of partial pressure, this is the equilibrium constant in terms of concentration. Example second जो है it is the question asked in JEE 2016. आपके पास एक रिएक्शन है A plus B that is in equilibrium C plus D. For this reaction जो equilibrium constant है that is equal to 100 and initial concentration of all that is A, B, C, D that is 1 mole per liter. This 1 mole per liter, 1 mole per liter, 1 mole per liter, 1 mole per liter. This is a general reaction. For this reaction जो equilibrium constant का value है that is equal to 100 and the concentration, their concentration is same, that is 1 mole per liter, 1 mole per liter and 1 mole per liter and finally D का भी है 1 mole per liter. You have to calculate concentration of D at equilibrium. Equilibrium पे आपको निकालनी है concentration of D. How you can calculate it? This is at T is equal to 0. Suppose आपके पास जो रिएक्शन है अल्फा it is degree of dissociation at equilibrium. इसका रहेगा 1 minus alpha, इसका भी रहेगा 1 minus alpha. It is 1 if alpha of this is converted into products. C का बनेगा alpha that its concentration will be 1 plus alpha. Similarly, इनका जो स्टोइकोमेट्रिक कोएफिशिएंट है because that is same. D की जो concentration है that is 1. But if अल्फा ऑफ B is converted into products, D का जो अमाउंट बनेगा that will be alpha. Thus it is concentration will be 1 plus alpha. This is the concentration of D at equilibrium. You have to calculate 1 plus alpha. That means you have to calculate alpha. आप वो निकाल सकते हैं indirectly from this, that is from equilibrium constant. What is actually equilibrium constant? Equilibrium constant will be concentration of products, product of concentration of products divided by concentration of product of concentration of reactants at equilibrium. That will be 1 plus alpha into 1 plus alpha divided by 1 minus alpha into 1 minus alpha. अगर आप देखेंगे it is a plus b into a minus a plus b, that will be 1 plus alpha whole square divided by that will be 1 minus alpha whole square. ये आपका जो है it is equal to k is given, that is 100. Now you can calculate it like this, 1 plus alpha by 1 minus alpha, दोनों का पावर है 2, you can write it like this, that will be equal to 100 को आप लिख सकते हैं 10 power 2. This will cancel out. This 1 plus alpha by 1 minus alpha, 1 plus alpha by 1 minus alpha, that is equal to 10. Now जो इसके ऑप्शंस है, फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज 1.818, सॉरी 0.818, जो सेकंड ऑप्शन है दैट इज 1.818, थर्ड ऑप्शन जो है दैट इज 0.182 एंड द फोर्थ ऑप्शन इज 1.182. These are the options. Now you can solve it. This is 1 plus alpha, that will be equal to 10 minus 10 alpha. आप 10 अल्फा को इस साइड में ले सकते हैं, दैट विल बी 10 अल्फा माइनस 10 अल्फा, ऑन दिस साइड इट विल बिकम प्लस 10 अल्फा. 10 प्लस 1 विल बी इक्वल टू 11 अल्फा, दैट इज इक्वल टू 10. दिस इज प्लस 1, यहां से आएगा माइनस 1, 10 माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 9. अल्फा का वैल्यू आप निकाल सकते हैं 9 डिवाइड बाय 11. 9 डिवाइड बाय 11, 11 1 जार 11, 11 8 जार 88. आप इसको लिख सकते हैं एज 90. 11 1 जार 11, 11 8 जार 88. देन वहां से बचेगा 2, दैट विल बी 11, इट विल बिकम 20. 11 1 जार 11, then it will be 9. 11 8 are 88. 0.818. This is the value of alpha. What will be the value of 1 plus alpha? That will be 1 plus alpha, that is equal to 1 plus 0.818. That will be equal to 1.818. अगर आप देखेंगे, this is the option number second. Now you can stop at this point. Suppose आप लिखेंगे 90 divided by 11, sorry 9 by 11, that will be 11 1 are 11, 11 8 are 88, 0.8. अगर आप यहाँ पे स्टॉप करेंगे, it will be, इसका जो आंसर आएगा that will be 1.8. If we see it is 0.8, it is 1.81, 0.1, 1.18. That means 1.8 जो है, this most close to this 1.818. This is the right option. This question was asked in JEE 2016. And it is very simple. Another example. This question was asked in AIMS 2017. You can check the paper. आपके पास एक रिएक्शन है, that is H2O, sorry H2 plus CO2 gas. It gives H2O gas plus CO gas. Initial concentration जो H2 की है, that is equal to concentration of CO2. That means H2 की जो concentration है, that is equal to concentration of CO2 at equilibrium. Equilibrium पे x mole per liter of H2 is converted into products. You have to calculate value of Kc. आपको Kc calculate करना है. This is a general reaction. Initial concentration जो H2 की और CO2 की है, that is same. Now at equilibrium, x mole per liter of H2, they are converted into the products. Now, or they are decomposed. You have to calculate Kc for this reaction. इसकी जो option है, first option is x square by 1 minus x whole square. x square by 1 minus x whole square, x square by 1 minus x, 2 plus x, 2 plus x whole square. C option is x square by 1 minus x, and D option is 1 plus x whole square by 1 minus x whole square. You can calculate it like this. Initial concentration of both H2 and CO2 is same. Suppose it is 1 mole per liter, 1 mole per liter. इसकी जो concentration होगी that will be 0. इसकी जो concentration होगी that will be 0. Now if x mole per liter of H2 is converted into products, इसका जो amount left होगा at equilibrium that will be 1 minus x. This is simple. इनका जो stoichiometric coefficient है that is same. इनका जो initial amount है that is same. इसका भी जो amount left at equilibrium that will be 1 minus x. इसका बनेगा x, इसका बनेगा x. You can calculate Kc as concentration of products, that is x into x divided by 1 minus x, that is concentration of reactants at equilibrium, that will be equal to x square divided by 1 minus x whole square. If you see option number first, it is the right option. This was asked in AIMS 2017. Now question number third. Question number third. Question number third. A sample of HI is placed in a flask at a pressure of, आपके पास HI है, HI 2 times HI gas, it gives H2 gas plus I2 gas. It is present at 0.2 atmosphere. 0.2 atmosphere. A sample of HI gas is placed in a flask at a pressure of 0.2 atmosphere. At equilibrium, जो partial pressure of HI है, that is 0.04. 0.04 atmosphere. It is the partial pressure of HI at equilibrium. What will be the value of equilibrium constant? That means you have to calculate Kp, equilibrium constant in terms of partial pressure. Now, how you can calculate this? If you see, this is the at T is equal to 0. This is the initial pressure. This is the initial pressure at T is equal to 0. This is the partial pressure at equilibrium. That means what is the decrease in pressure? That is 0.2 minus 0.04. That will be equal to 0.16. That means जो इसका pressure reduce हुआ है that is equal to 0.16. जब इसका pressure reduce होगा, accordingly जो H2 और I2 है इनका pressure जो है partial pressure that will increase. But यहाँ पे इसका stoichiometric coefficient 2 है, इसका stoichiometric coefficient 1 है और इसका भी stoichiometric coefficient 1 है. If there is decrease in 0.16 atmospheres of H2, इसका जो pressure बनेगा that will be equal to 0.16 divided by 2. 0.16 divided by 2. Why we are dividing it by 2? Because यहाँ से जो stoichiometric coefficient है that is 2, इसका फिर divide हो जाएगा 2. That will be equal to 0.08. इसका भी बनेगा 0.08. Now you have to calculate Kp. Kp is equal to partial pressure of H2 at equilibrium, partial pressure of I2 at equilibrium divided by partial pressure of HI at equilibrium. इसका आएगा square. Partial pressure of H2 is equal to 0.08 divided by HI का जो partial pressure है at equilibrium 0.04 into 0.04. Now अगर आपके पास suppose you have 0.8 divided by 0.4, that means जो decimal है it is after 1 digit. यहां से भी it is after 1 digit और यहां से भी है it is after 1 digit. You can simply divide it जैसे दोनों है विदाउट डेसिमल. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. सिमिलरली यहां पे 0.04, 0.08. दैट मींस डेसिमल है आफ्टर 2 डिजिट्स, यहां से भी है डेसिमल आफ्टर 2 डिजिट्स. आप इसको सिंपली डिवाइड कर सकते हैं लाइक इट इज विदाउट डेसिमल. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 4 is the option. दैट मींस इसका जो Kp होगा दैट विल बी इक्वल टू 4. Now another question. N2O4 you have 9.2 grams of N2O4 N2O4 गैस जो है इसके आपके पास है 9.2 ग्राम्स 9.2 ग्राम्स 9.2 grams. At equilibrium, 50% of it is dissociated. That means alpha is equal to 50%. 50%. What will be the value of Kc? आपको निकालना है equilibrium constant. What will be the value of Kc for this? You can write it like this. 9.2 grams of N2O4. 9.2 grams of N2O4 gas is taken in 1 liter vessel. Gas is taken in 1 liter vessel. Is taken in 1 liter vessel. 9.2 grams of N2O4 is grams is taken in a closed vessel in a 1 liter. Taken in a 1 liter closed vessel. Is taken in a 1 liter closed vessel and is heated till the following equilibrium is attained. And is heated till the following equilibrium is attained. जो equilibrium है that is N2O4 gas that is in equilibrium 2 times NO2 gas. This is the equilibrium. At equilibrium 50% of N2O4 is dissociated. 50% of N2O4 is dissociated at equilibrium. You have to calculate equilibrium constant. Calculate Kc. यहां से आपको मोलर मास दिया है that is equal to 92 grams. इसका जो मोलर मास है आप N2O4 that is equal to 92 grams. Now you can calculate it like this. N2O4 that is in equilibrium with NO2 2 times. इसके जो number of moles है that will be 9.2 amount of that substance in grams divided by molar mass. That will be 0.1 mole. इसका होगा 0. आप इस क्वेश्चन को यहां पास कर सकते हैं. You can try it yourself. 0.1 mole it will be 0. Now at equilibrium इसका जो degree of dissociation है that is alpha. Alpha is equal to 50%. 50% means 50% is percentage dissociation. You can calculate alpha as 50 divided by 100. That will be equal to 0.5. It will be its degree of dissociation. That means 0.5 it is alpha is it is its degree of dissociation. अगर आपको याद होगा सपोज आपके पास concentration of 1 mole, then amount left at equilibrium will be 1 minus alpha. अगर आपके पास 2 moles है, amount left at equilibrium will be 2 minus 2 alpha. अगर 3 moles होंगे, amount left will be 3 minus 3 alpha. Now you have 0.1 mole. Amount left will be that will be 0.1 minus 0.1 into alpha. This is important step. इसका जो amount बनेगा that will be equal to this 0.5. That will be equal to 0.1 into 0.5. That means C alpha. But यहां से इसका जो stoichiometric coefficient है that is 2. आप ये लिख सकते हैं 0.1 it is the initial concentration of N2O4. Now at equilibrium इसका जो degree of dissociation है that is 50%. This is percentage dissociation. आप degree of dissociation निकाल सकते हैं 0.5. Now amount left at equilibrium will be C minus C alpha. That is 0.1 minus 0.1 into 0.5. इसका जो बनेगा amount that will be 0.1 into 0.5. That means C alpha into इसका जो stoichiometric coefficient है that is 2. Now you can calculate it. That will be 0.1 minus 0. That is 0.05. 0.1 minus 0.05. That is equal to 0.05. 0.05. This is 0.05. इसका जो amount होगा that will be 5 2s are 10 और 2 1s are 2. 0.2 into 0.5. 5 2s are 10. Point जो होगा it is after. It will be like this. That means 0.1 it is concentration. As it is concentration at equilibrium. Now what will be its Kc? Kc का जो value होगा that will be concentration of NO2 at equilibrium square divided by N2O4. NO2 की concentration at equilibrium है 0.1 into 0.1 divided by जो इसकी concentration है that is 0.05. 0.1 into 0.1, यहां से जो डेसिमल इट इज आफ्टर 1, you can write it like this, 1 into 1 into 10 to power minus 2. यहां से जो डेसिमल इट इज आफ्टर 2 डिजिट्स, यहां से 0.5 को आप लिख सकते हैं 5 into 10 to power minus 2. This will cancel out, that is 1/5. 1/5 आपको आप लिख सकते हैं 10/5. 5 1 5, 5 2 10. यहाँ पे 10 नहीं था, हमने 0 को लिखा, that means इसका आएगा पॉइंट आफ्टर 1 डिजिट, 0.2 will be its answer. आप यहाँ पे भी इसको कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. When the decimal is after, it is after same digit, that means न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में it is after 2 digits. यहाँ से 1 digit, यहाँ से after 2 digits. आप इसको सिंपली लिख सकते हैं as 1/5. 5 1 5, यहां से आप 0 बढ़ा सकते हैं, दैट विल बी 5 2 10. 0 आपने खुद लिखा, दैट विल बी 0.2. ऐसे भी आप इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. दिस इज द अनदर न्यूमेरिकल रिलेटेड टू दिस. Another question is the quantity of PCl5 was heated in a आपके पास PCl5 है, PCl5 gas, it is heated in a vessel, it will give PCl3 gas plus Cl2 gas. It is heated in a vessel of 10 liter. That means जो volume है that is equal to 10 liter. At equilibrium, vessel contains 0.1 mole of PCl, 0.1 mole of PCl5. It contains 0.1 mole of PCl5 and 0.2 moles of Cl2. 0.2 moles of Cl2. 0.2 moles of Cl2. You have to calculate equilibrium constant. You have to calculate equilibrium constant आपको निकालना है. How you can calculate equilibrium constant? अगर आप देखेंगे the products, यहाँ पे जो stoichiometric coefficient है that is same. That means इसका अगर होगा 0.2 moles, इसका भी होगा 0.2 moles at equilibrium. This is first point. Second point, यहां से आपको usually in most of the questions जो volume of a vessel है that is 1 liter. That means जो वहां पे concentration or amount, number of moles of reactant, आप इसको directly लिख सकते हैं as concentration. Because it is number of moles per liter, it is already 1. You can directly write it as concentration. But यहाँ पे जो number volume of vessel है that is equal to 10 liters. So it is concentration will be 0.1 divided by 10. इसका भी होगा 0.2 divided by 10. इसका होगा 0.2 divided by 10. Now you can calculate Kc as 0.2 divided by 10 into 0.2 divided by 10 divided by 0.1 divided by 10. This will cancel out with this. यहां से जो डेसिमल है आफ्टर 1 डिजिट, यहां से डेसिमल है आफ्टर 1 डिजिट, आप इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 2 into 0.2 divided by 10 डिवाइड बाई, आप इसको डायरेक्टली लिख सकते हैं 1, बिकॉज यहाँ पे जो डेसिमल इट वाज आफ्टर 1 डिजिट, यहाँ से भी आफ्टर 1 डिजिट, आप इसको कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. नाउ इट इज 2 2 4, 0.4 डिवाइड बाई 10, दैट इज इक्वल टू 0.04. दिस इज द आंसर. दैट मींस यू हैव टू डिवाइड इट बाय द वॉल्यूम ऑफ ए वेसल. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज 0.025, सेकंड इज 0.05, थर्ड इज 0.4 एंड लास्ट वन इज 0.2. नाउ दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट डिग्री ऑफ डिसोसिएशन. Now what is actually degree of dissociation? It is the number of moles dissociated divided by total number of moles. Degree of dissociation पे जब आप numericals करेंगे, you have to you should know what is mole fraction and what is partial pressure. Partial pressure is actually mole fraction of a component into total pressure. Mole fraction आप निकाल सकते हैं by number of moles of that component divided by total number of moles. Another point you have to take into the consideration is volume of a vessel. If it is 1 liter, यहाँ फिर आप concentration जो है that is number of moles, आप इसको as concentration ले चलते हैं. But if it is 10 liters, 20 liters or V liters, फिर आपको जो number of moles है उसको divide करना है by V. If it is 10 liter, then it is concentration divided by 10. If it is 5 liter, then concentration divided by 5, etc. And another point, amount left at equilibrium is simply जो आपके पास concentration है, amount left at equilibrium will be C minus C alpha. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आपके पास 1 मोल है, दैट विल बी 1 माइनस 1 इंटू अल्फा, दैट इज 1 माइनस अल्फा। अगर आपके पास 2 मोल्स हो गए, दैट इज अमाउंट लेफ्ट एट इक्विलिब्रियम विल बी 2 माइनस 2 अल्फा। यहाँ पे आप ये मिस्टेक करते हैं, यू राइट इट लाइक दिस 2 माइनस अल्फा, बट दिस इज नॉट राइट। यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट इट लाइक दिस C माइनस C अल्फा, फिर जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म विल बी C अल्फा, और यहां से आपको इस मल्टीप्लाई करना है कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग स्टीरियोकेमिट्रिक कोएफिशिएंट। अगर 1 है देन C अल्फा, अगर 2 है देन 2C अल्फा, अगर 3 है देन 3C अल्फा। इट इज ऑल अबाउट दिस टॉपिक। You can add more questions to this topic.